Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand by 70 Mind. If you guys remember, I actually reviewed a product from this brand, which was a dash cam. This time I have a car battery jump starter that you can use in case of any kind of emergency if your battery runs out of power and whatnot. But first thing first, let's unbox it to show you what comes out of the package first. So when you first open the package, as you can see, there's the actual product in the little bag. Design of the bag right here is actually pretty nice as well. They have little handles that you can actually leave this in the car, which is small and portable, which is amazing. So when we open it up, first thing you guys kind of see is this little jump starter cable that you can use. And I want to mention that this cable is actually kind of short, so I wish they made it a little bit longer, but it's okay as long as they provide you the actual product. That's pretty cool. Next up, they provide you a little cable that is USB to USB-C, but they also provide you a user manual instruction guide on how to set up the product and how to use it and all the different functionality that's on here. So here we have the actual product right here. If you guys can see, 70 Mind logo right there. If we click the power button on top, you guys can see the little logo right here to show us the battery level. If you look in the top part right here, we have, so that's USB-C, that's USB. Here's the flashlight that is built into the product. And how you guys would turn it on is by pressing the button down right here. And it activates. So the light itself is not that powerful compared to other flashlights that I've tested in the past, but it works. So it's nice to have this as an emergency. And if you guys look right here, this is where it will plug in this cable right here. So let me actually open up to show you guys what it will look like. So that's what it basically looks like. There you go. And then when you guys are done using it, just clip it back in place. And that's pretty much everything that's actually on the product itself. So first thing first, let me actually go plug this in to see whether or not these plugs work or not, and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the 70 Mind power bank that also is a car charger or emergency car charger. And by emergency car chargers, I mean you guys can use these to use it to kind of like pump up your car if there's no more battery for your car and whatnot. So be careful when you guys use this. Make sure you guys are not plugging this in like just anywhere for fun, and just be careful of these two ends as well, because you guys don't want to electrocute yourself. So I'm gonna put this away for now. I'm gonna plug this in first to show you guys when it works first. You guys can see the battery life right there is charging, so let this charge for a little bit and come back and talk about the product in a second. But before I do that, I want to show you guys whether or not this outlet right here works or not for the USB. So I'm just gonna do a quick demonstration using this cable right here to charge my phone to show you whether it works or not. Alright, so as you can see, it is charging. So while this product is charging, it can charge the phone at the same time, which is pretty cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that it actually does work. I haven't got the chance to actually test out this car charger or jump starters yet. I'll probably do that in the update video, but based off everything that we see right here with the flashlight and the USB and the USB-C, you guys can see that actually does work and actually charges quite well. And then the battery capacity for this power bank or this device right here is 11,000 roughly. So if that's enough for you guys, then that'd be awesome. But if it's not, then you guys probably want to get a different one. And I'm pretty sure you guys want to know what's the peak current that you guys can use for this product. So when you guys use the jump starter, the maximum is 600A. So basically when this product is fully charged, that means you guys can actually jumpstart your car up to 40 times. That is probably the maximum they can do it up to. So if you guys want me to show you guys just like a video of like me just plugging it in and kind of like jump starting a car or something, that I can definitely do it. But it'd be hard for me to kind of show you guys when it actually works or not, because I don't have like a car that's like the battery died or something. So maybe when my car battery dies or something, that I can do an update video to let you guys see when it actually works or not. But as a first-hand perspective for this product, would I say that's actually worth it or not for $52 or $53 for this product? For me, honestly, I have to say that this product is actually really nice and really worth it, because it will definitely come in handy when you guys actually need it. Because right now you guys probably would think like, oh, I don't really need this, like my car battery is fine, like why do I need this? If I need it, then I'll buy it when it comes. But when that time comes when you actually need it, and you guys don't have this, and you guys are stuck in the road with no battery or something, then how will you guys actually power it up? Maybe you guys can call someone to come and give you guys power or something, then that's one option. But then having this product is actually really nice, so that way you guys can have this as an emergency to charge your devices, or you can actually jumpstart your car. And it's small and compact, so you can just leave this in the car when you guys actually need it. Also, one thing that I want to mention about this product is the fact that it has like all the protection that you probably would think of. So like the short circuit protection, overcharge protection, overcurrent protection, the list goes on. It has every protection that you guys should probably think about it. Especially the fact that it's a jump starter for your car. They want to make sure it's as safe as possible for you guys. But then like how I say on all my videos, if you guys don't need this or don't have a car or have no use for this, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of brand new videos that will be coming out in the future. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have